In this video, we're going to see how to upload and translate a file. First, what we need to do is log into your Pairaphrase account. Once you log in, you will see these three options. So first option, it's always the language that the source document is on. In my case, that's English. Therefore, I choose English. Second option is the target language, and then let's just go with Spanish. Last but not least, you need to upload the file for translation. Now, if your file is stored on your Google Drive, then you simply click on the Google Drive icon and upload the file from there. If your file is stored on your laptop or desktop, you simply click here and then upload your file, for example, this Excel file. We follow the message on the top. File is ready for translation. Therefore, we click Translate File. It's going to bring us to a different section, which is called My Files. And under Status, if it says Draft, that means that the translation is done. So we can click on the file. And what we see here is the Pairaphrase editor where we can make changes. Now, you want to download the translated file. Therefore, you go on the top right corner where it says Download. And then you simply click Download Translation. As you can see, the file was downloaded for review.